Sony has officially unveiled its latest flagship-grade smartphone, the Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, making it the second flagship release of the year 2023. Following the earlier release of the Xperia 1 Mark V, this compact device offers a compelling blend of top-tier specifications and features, while maintaining a smaller, more manageable form factor. Let's delve into the details of this new smartphone, covering its specifications, pricing, and more. In terms of physical dimensions, the Xperia 5 Mark V measures 154 by 68 by 8.6 mm, and weighs just under 180 grams. While it is slightly thicker than its predecessor by 2 mm and has gained 11 grams in weight, it still maintains a sleek and compact appearance. The device boasts a rear glass panel that exudes a premium feel. On the front, you'll find a 6.1-inch OLED display with an Full HD Plus resolution, a 21:9 aspect ratio, and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This display also supports HDR, ensuring vibrant and detailed visuals. However, it's worth noting that unlike some other flagship devices, the Xperia 5 Mark V lacks an LTPO panel and offers only 120Hz or 60Hz refresh rate options. Under the hood, the Xperia 5 Mark V is powered by the formidable Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Should you require more storage, the device offers expansion capabilities via microSD card slot. Keeping everything running smoothly is a substantial 5000 mAh battery, which not only provides ample power, but also supports 30 watts wired fast charging and 18 watts wireless fast charging, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. The inclusion of IP68 water and dust resistance, Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back, LDAC and high-res audio support, full-stage stereo speakers, and the latest Android 13 operating system out of the box, further solidify this smartphone's flagship status. When it comes to photography, the Xperia 5 Mark V inherits the primary sensor from its sibling, the Xperia 1 Bolt. This 48-megapixel sensor boasts an impressive 1x1.35-inch optical format, a 24mm equivalent focal length, optical image stabilization, and autofocus capabilities. Interestingly, the primary camera utilizes a 52-megapixel XMRT main sensor with an effective 48-megapixel resolution, defaulting to 12-megapixel 24mm shots. Additionally, it offers 2x optical zoom, enhancing its versatility. Complementing this primary camera is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with a 16mm focal length, utilizing dual-pixel autofocus, which was a standout feature in last year's Xperia 5 Mark IV. Selfie enthusiasts will appreciate the 12-megapixel front-facing camera, which is carried over from the Xperia 1 Mark V. Sony has recently unveiled its highly anticipated Xperia 5 Mark V compact flagship phone, offering consumers a choice of 3 striking color options: black, blue, and platinum silver. With this trio of stylish finishes, users can express their individuality while enjoying the cutting-edge features packed into this impressive device. While the exact release date for the Xperia 5 Mark V remains somewhat elusive, eager fans and tech enthusiasts can expect the smartphone to hit the market in the latter part of September 2023. Sony's commitment to delivering innovative technology suggests that the wait will be well worth it. For those interested in acquiring this compact flagship, the Xperia 5 Mark V will come with a price tag of €999. While this reflects the premium quality and top-notch specifications that Sony is known for, it also positions the device as an attractive option in the flagship smartphone landscape. In summary, the Sony Xperia 5 Mark V is a formidable addition to Sony's smartphone lineup, offering a compact form factor without compromising on top-tier specifications. With its powerful processor, impressive camera capabilities, robust battery, and a host of flagship features, it is sure to cater to both tech enthusiasts and those looking for a more manageable device in the modern smartphone landscape. I hope that in the near future I will be able to do a full review of this phone, and I will share with you the main advantages and disadvantages. So now I can only wish you a good day, and God bless you.